go from North Station to some nature, green space. All right, head this way. Shuttling people into the concert.
All the way down.
Oh, I'm crossing here because I got it blocked off. This crosswalk here, I would be very, very careful with. There's people flying out of that garage. But with this concert, they got it blocked off. Sorry.
You're good.
And then, so I cut the line there. Here's a little spot. You know, it's modest in size, but it's a cool little spot, I tell you. There's always a nice breeze here. It's too hot out. Excuse me. This place is super cool and comfy. It was a Bruins cow, a beef cow. Must have got injured. They took him away. There's the salt cow. All right, so go this way. See a few people come up that short set of stairs. There's traffic. I see that traffic. All right, down here to the left. There's people filing in there because of the show tonight. There's a lot. But basically, walk straight through there. Where that one car is pulling in, it's got the brake lights on, they're waiting. Right there. Then you'll see the Mass State Police, a little bridge to get you through where the boats are let out and whatnot. You'll see it. When you see it, you'll know what I mean. And then that gets you right over to Paul Revere Park and into Charlestown if you want as well. There's also the Charlestown Bridge, and then there's a neat bridge, another bridge you could go over to North Point Park. I'd highly recommend that one.